Okay, so here's my first long-winded automation. This will generate 12 songs in a matter of minutes from Suno, which is my preferred um, AI song generator due to their terms of service and the fact that they have up to 4 minutes available to create a song. And that means there's less messing around trying to stitch things together or expand songs. So I've tried to make this as simple as possible so that people who are just beginners with Make and automation can still get into it. But I will say there is a cost, and that's the cost of accessing the API and the cost of um, using Google Workspace. You can find ways around it. There's details out there how to do it, but really this automation is for people who have, at the very least, a Google Workspace. So let me walk you through this. So basically, you fill out the song information and you do that in a Google form. And you include the title, the lyrics, and the tags, which are for the style of the song. We then go through the process of creating the songs two at a time. And in here, we get the song ID generated, which is what's required to actually access and listen to the song. We have a bit of a pause here to allow the songs to generate on the server, and then we extract each one of the IDs of each song pair, um, and then pause for a period of time again to ensure that it has time to generate all the actual songs on the server. I then email it to myself, giving me access to the lyrics, the title, and the tags, and then each one of the 12 versions gets emailed to me. And then within Google Drive, I'm also creating in song pairs the 12 songs. So you can see here, they're generated in this row here for each one of the 12 outputs. So then I can listen back to them. I also have been using um, a couple of different uh, APIs to work through Suno. Some better than others, some having better features than others, but this is the one that I found more consistent in its output. And I will be making a version that utilizes both the other APIs that call Suno.com, sorry, Suno AI, as well as making an automation in active pieces, which is also a slightly cheaper version of the automation platform that we're using here that will still output the same type of thing and allow you to bulk generate songs. So how might you use this? So I'm imagining that if you're a recording artist and you want to come up with lots of ideas for songs, this is a great way to do it. You can automate the triggers to be daily, weekly, monthly, however you want. You can input the song data in a variety of different ways, so you don't have to use the form. You can also perhaps have some kind of form on a website and allow people to pay you to generate songs for, say, their birthday, anniversary, or maybe advertisers want specific songs for some kind of advertising piece or some cinematic piece. You could also be generating bulk stock music that you could then upload to one of these stock music providers and license the music through that. So there's a number of ways that you can use it, but basically, I've found that 1 in 12 songs out of Suno is going to be really good, like good enough for me to be excited about it and want to use it. I can't think of a time I haven't found one that I liked out of that. So you can sometimes find more. Again, music and taste is subjective, so you might find you like a lot more than I do. Anyways, this is the first automation you can find in my school community. It's called Music Automated, and I hope you come and join us there, where we'll be sharing our experiences making AI music and learning together on the platform. come and join us there ASAP, and I'll be there to help out where possible. Thanks for listening.